Look, these are my favorite Starbucks worker. Oh my gosh, thanks for the drink. Oh yes, subscribe. Oh my gosh, thank you guys. Yes.
Link in the bio. I don't know.
Thank you guys so much. Have a good morning. Thank you. Thank you guys. Good morning, beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday, August 4th, and it's 11:06 in the morning right now. We are here at the park. I did a bad choice of wearing all black because it's really hot, but we are going to be having a volleyball slash barbecue kind of like picnic thing, and so we are here at the park right now. And this is our spot. Oh my gosh, it's so sunny. This is our spot right here. And we're gonna be setting up. We said 10 a.m. but you guys already know Filipino time, and it's 11 and there's no one here yet but me, my brother, my sister-in-law, my two nephews. And so we're kind of struggling right now because it's so hot, and like my brother has to find a rock to build the volleyball net there. There's my sister-in-law and my nephew. But yes, we are gonna have so much fun. We are taking advantage of summer, and I can't wait till my family friends get here, and I will vlog and catch you guys after. I had to run to get this spot because there was other people that wanted to get this spot as well, but good thing I ran to snatch this spot right here. And it's perfect because there is going to be a lot of us because we have a lot of family friends. I just got a text. Let's go see what my nephew is doing. So there's my first nephew, Mateo, sleeping. Then say hi to my vlog, Ate Christine. Hello. Where's Mac? Mac, say hi to my vlog, Mac. Hi. Mac, say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Ew. Ew. Did you find a rock? No. Oh my god. So yeah. Look who's awake! Mateo! Say hi to my vlog! Hey! Wow, all these people hungry. They're hungry. Say hi to my vlog. Yay. Everyone's so hungry now. Bakit kasi everyone's so late? I'm so close. Everyone's so hungry. Wanna say hi to my vlog? Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. Everyone's so late. Time to eat now. I'm so hungry. Let's go. Kuha ka ng food. You wanna say hi to my vlog? Say hi.
Hello there! Aloha, mabuhay!
Oh wow. Aloha. Aloha. Kuha kayo ng food. While I get food. Is it in the front? Can you see it?
May germs na naman ni Aka yan.
Baka magpakasal na kayo agad, ha? Nagugas ako. Hapon. Nagluto ng adobo.
Ako po.
Medyo kulang yung dala ko, ha, na adobo.
This is my second fam. We love them.
Huh? I hate them. Actually, go join them. Let's follow them.
TikTok.